Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Done Crazy Marcus here again with another episode of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. We're on episode 7. God, time's gone fast. Today guys, we're going to be doing a beautiful Italian dish. Going to be making a homemade pepperoni pizza. Okay, so the ingredients we are needing, we've got some pepperoni, chorizo, very nice. Got some grated cheese to put on top of the pizza. Already made pizza bases, you can get them in any supermarket, and a jar of tomato puree. Okay guys, can't wait to make it. Okay guys, going to put the chips in early. You know what a pain we've had with chips over the past few weeks. Always take too long to cook, so may as well get them in early before we make a start on the pizza. Okay, that's the chips in. Going to make a start on preparing the pizzas. Jar of tomato puree, take the lid off, looks absolutely gorgeous. Spoonful of it, then just lap it down on the pizza base like so, and just sort of spread it round the pizza with the back of your spoon. Basically just like you'd spread butter on a sandwich, to be honest guys. Okay, so just putting tomato puree on the top of each pizza. Now we have put 2 in the pan and we've got 1 on the plate, so could possibly be we cook 2, then cook another 1 after we've done the film today. Not too sure. Okay, tomato puree all over the pizza. Next is the cheese. You can use any cheese, gorgonzola, mozzarella. We've just got a basic bag of grated cheese. Basically just going to sprinkle it over each pizza. Now here's how you tell the chef's good, guys. If he's fat, like me, he's a good chef, because obviously his food's perfect, he likes his food and he eats a lot of it. Okay, just gonna spread the cheese out a bit with a knife. Looks gorgeous. Okay, just finishing off spreading the cheese out. Okay, that's done. Time to put the chorizo on. Just normal sort of sandwich pack, sandwich meat chorizo, pepperoni. Absolutely gorgeous. Quickly pinch a bit. Very nice, guys. Then just a few bits on each pizza. Comment down below your favourite pizza topping, or maybe let's start a debate. Do you think pineapple belongs on pizza? I don't think it does, guys, but I'm pretty sure many of you won't agree with me on that one. Okay, and Davey. Okay, everyone. Pizzas look absolutely amazing. All decorated, got the toppings on them. Mozzarella, pepperoni, tomato puree. Time to put them in the oven. Should take about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Can't wait to eat them, guys. Oh, hot. Okay, pizza's in the oven. We'll see you when they're ready. Okay, everyone. Pizza and chips are done. Going to get them out the oven, then plate them up. Okay, pizzas are cooked. I lied about the chips being cooked. Seems like it's a curse we have on these cooking episodes. Gonna just scoop them up with my little scoop and hopefully I don't drop it. That's one. Get the other one. Okay, that's two. Okay, now I'm going to get my pizza cutter and just cut them up. Okay, just cutting the other one up now, guys. There we are, all cut up. Look delicious. bellissimo, if that's Italian. Okay guys, finally done homemade pizza.
Oh, they look lovely.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. Put a bit of salt on. So let's try the pizza. Have a look. Dig in, see if I can get a bit. It's got some pepperoni on as well. A bit khaki-handed there. Delicious. Sure that an Italian couldn't do any better.
There you go guys.
Very good.
Okay, I'll come in and just give mine a quick taste test. Just and a bit. Look absolutely gorgeous. Good pizza, guys. See you next week in another episode of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. Adios.